Welcome back. Today we're diving into the critical phase of any welding project, the final detailing and polishing preparation. Whether you're aiming for an inspection-ready finish or prepping for paint, the quality of your surface prep defines the final result. The key to this precision work? Single-cut Carbide Burr tools. They are the unsung heroes of the workshop. Carbide burrs offer the precision control you need to remove excess material without gouging the base metal. Single-cut burrs are specifically designed for stainless steel and hardened materials, providing a smooth, ripple-free surface. Unlike double-cut burrs, single-cut versions create longer chips, which helps prevent clogging and heat buildup during intensive detailing. This allows you to achieve that elusive, ripple-free surface that is essential for high-end industrial projects. Once you've leveled the weld with the burr, you're perfectly set up for the next step, using flap discs for blending. Maintaining a consistent angle and light pressure is vital. Let the tool do the work for you. Carbide's hardness makes it ideal for detailing even the toughest alloys that standard stones won't touch. Always remember, Carbide burrs run at high speeds. Full PPE, especially eye protection, is non-negotiable in the shop. Your choice of rotary tool matters. A tool with high RPM and low runout will give you the best detailing results. The various shapes of burrs, like the tree or ball shape, allow you to reach into tight corners where grinders can't fit. By using finer burrs, you reduce the depth of scratches, making the final polishing stage much faster and easier. Experienced welders know that 10 minutes of precision burr work can save an hour of sanding later. One pro tip, don't let the heat build up. Keep the burr moving to avoid discoloration on stainless steel. This is what inspection ready looks like. No ripples, no pits, just a smooth, professional transition. Keep your tools clean. A clogged burr will vibrate and leave a poor finish on your project. If you're prepping for paint, this level of detailing ensures the coating adheres perfectly and looks flawless. And finally, the polish. See how the light flows across the joint? That's the result of proper burr preparation. Detailing isn't just about looks, it's about the integrity and quality of your work. Equip yourself with the right burrs. Master the Carbide burr and you'll master the finish. Every detail counts in the shop. Thanks for watching. Now get back to the bench and start detailing.